It says, bringing every thought into captivity to the obedience of Christ. That's why we were talking about confession. About confession. I walk by faith, in faith, by faith. Because when you take a thought captive, then you confess like this: I do not receive this. I don't receive this. I am going to oppose this. I say this is like this, Lord. Imagine this ministry I carry with my mouth. That's why I don't get old. I mean, they say out there, I receive it. They say, Pastor, for if I should labor and put my flesh in, here you cannot work hard, it must be so. Bear my yoke, my burden upon you, because light and easy. Say easy. Say the gospel is easy. Some say that it is very difficult. Being a Christian is very difficult, of course, if you're dealing with flesh and commandments. But if you take the true gospel, look, there's good news. The church lied to the people because what he said was that he came to bring and remove the yoke of oppression. He says, come to me, you who are weary and heavy laden. I will give you rest. For my burden is light and easy to bear. For God has committed some to disobedience. For what purpose? Mercy from whom? So in the flesh, what are you? Disobedient position. No, Pastor, I am a very good man. No. God says you are disobedient, because if not, He has no mercy on you.